Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Dogness International, and this is the class A share. Now this chart is telling you something. Let me explain it to you, and if this is what I am thinking it is right now, then we are good to go. Why I am saying this is, let's understand the trend over here, right? So if you are looking at this price action, let me show it to you. So if you are looking at this price action, you will see something like this. So this is one shoulder, this is the head, right? And this is another shoulder. So the trend itself, is in a formation of inverted head and shoulder. And this is a very positive sign, and we are on the verge of a breakout. So now the levels that we are going to look at will be 4.3 and 4.97 on the downside, on the upside, beg your pardon. And as far as the support or stop loss is concerned, what we can do here, we will simply use the immediate turnaround level as our stop loss. So 3.23, from where the stock has started moving, we can use this level as our support as well as the stop loss. And as far as the target is concerned, what we have here is 4.3 as our first target, which the stock has already crossed, and we have 4.97, or let's say $5. $5 is the level that we need to look at as far as the big trend or range is concerned, right? So this is what we are looking at as far as the trend is concerned. Now what will happen after $5? Technically, in this kind of price pattern, you will see a sharp rise, but in terms of quantification of the movement, how far it will go, so we cannot project in the same manner that in the next 2 years it's going to be an uptrend. We can't do like this because we have limited amount of data right now. What we can actually do, we can check the previous price action, and based on that we can forecast the upcoming price action. So what we have here, I will segregate the levels, and I will compare the dips and the peaks and the troughs, big peaks and the troughs which the stock has made in the past. So as you can see, from this low to the uh, upcoming breakout or the resistance level, it is 182%. So 182% will give me my first target, which is 14.19. Then the second low is 293%. From this low to the resistance range, it is 293%. So 293% on the upside will give me my second target, and it is $19.78. Finally, the lower end of the range is as low as 547%. So after the breakout, if the stock moves 547%, we will get the third or the big range that we are looking into, and this will be $32 or $33. Now, as I told you, this is just mirroring of, what I have done is simply I can do simply this. From the lower end to the higher end, the stock moves 530-540%, and that's why we are getting a target of $32. But rather than a single move, I have just segregated all the important levels. That's what I have done. But as I told you, we cannot because after this kind of move, the trend may continue for a longer period of time. So we can't actually think or talk about that because of the data. So once we have enough data, we can further reanalyze it. But because we don't have that, we can't do. So what we have here is a good identification of a trend, and if this works out, because the stock is nearly on the verge of a breakout, so if this works out in the similar manner as we are thinking right now, then we have a decent amount of move going forward, and beyond which we have to reanalyze it in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.